Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you guys some more roses that I got from Rose Forever. Oh yes, you know I love getting roses from them. I've gotten 2 already from them, and now I just ordered another one. Oh, and here are the ones that I got this time. OMG, look at this, you guys. I got this lovely blue color this time. Oh my gosh, look at that. And I got, as you can see, the clear box again. I'm just in love with the clear box because you know what, your girl can just top it up and do what she wants with it, and that's what I like. Yeah, so I got the blue shades like I was telling you this time. Aren't they lovely? And this time I got the roses in 16. They come in arrangements of 9, 16, and 30. Is it 36 or 32? I'll put it down here. But those are the 3 sizes that they come in. You can get them in square boxes, round boxes, the black velvet box. I even have a pink box, you guys. OMG, I saw the pink one on the site. I was madly in love to get that, but I changed my mind and took this one instead. So like you said, they have the clear box also. And you know, the last time I got them in the 9. I got the 9 in the clear box, and I got the 9 in the square velvet black box too. Yeah, so this box I got this time is a bigger box, and of course the draw comes out. Like, you know, I love this acrylic box that they come in. Now Rose Forever is a company based in New York, and they deal with 100% natural flower arrangements, and they use natural oils to help preserve them, and they're put together by professional rose artisans. Hope I said that right. Yeah. So they look elegant and nice, as you can see. And they come in a variety of shades. They have all sorts of colors of roses for you to choose from, and they even have darker shades, you know, like silver and black, and they do have gold, I believe. So yeah, they have specialty in gold too, so you can get lots of shades to choose from. Yeah, and they're absolutely beautiful. And like I said, round boxes, square boxes, clear boxes. I love it. They're absolutely beautiful, and you know, they make a lovely gift for yourself, like I like to do, or you can get them for a loved one. Yes, this will make a lovely gift for that special person, whether it's your mom, your aunt, you know, you can get it for a gentleman. Yes, a gentleman can get roses too. It's absolutely a beautiful gift. And with this, you have the clear box that comes out, and it's a little keepsake box, so you can put jewelry, little trinkets you want in there. You can even put palettes in there, put it on your makeup table. OMG, anywhere you want, and keep your little specialty items in here and close them back. Isn't that neat? I love it. The box is of 36 roses. I guess it's a bigger box, so it will even store more little trinkets that you like inside. This is absolutely lovely, like I said, to get a gift for yourself, for your loved one, for someone, that special person within your life. And I am going to leave a coupon code below for you guys. When you go over, click the link, check it out, use my code, and get a discount off of your order of your Rose Forever roses. So your girl is going to show you how I'm going to glam this box out. Yeah, so let's get started, and how I am going to customize my Rose Forever box. Alright everyone, we're going to start with our box here, and I'm just going to take off the lid and everything and take out the little keepsake box inside, because we're going to start by decorating that first. Okay, I'm just going to use some of our sheet here to decorate our box, going right around, and I cut it into strips so you can glue it down to the front of the box here, the drawer. So I'm just going to use some hot glue, and a lot of people ask me why I use the hot glue on certain things and not on others. Well, for this strip here, It sticks down perfectly fine with just the hot glue. Other things I use, it sticks better with the E6000. So that's why I do it like this. So now we are going to just add the bling going around the rest of our flower box. And we added the sheets separately to the drawer of the trinket, because if you just go right around, then you'll just seal the drawer and it won't be open. So we had to glue a separate strip for the drawer, and then now we're going to do one long strip going right around the rest of the box. And I'd like to say, if you're new here, welcome. Thank you for clicking on to seeing what I have to share with you guys today, and I hope you will hit that subscribe button and don't forget to ring the bell so become part of the Glamster team. And I hope you guys give me a thumbs up if you like today's DIY, how I'm blinging out this box. Oh my gosh, it looks good so far and we're not finished yet. Okay, so now we are going to add some of this Glam chain going right around, and for this chain I will be using the E6000. Again, I'm using another glue. Why I like to use the E6000 on this one, I find it lays down more better and more professional than if I use the hot glue. It gets chunky and does not lay the chain down very well, so I use the E6000 to lay down my Glam chains. Make it look more professional and nice. And now we are going to add some of my favorite gems. I'm going to add 2 of them onto the front, and I'll just be using some hot glue to glue them down. Now the gems are optional. You can use hot glue or E6000 to lay them down, whichever one you prefer. And now I just decided to add a little bit more chain just to the front of our box. So I'm going to add some more bling chain going right across just the front on each side. And here is our finished look. OMG! I am in love with the box. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. You know, you can take whatever items, whatever bling, whatever glam you have at home and personalize your box to the way you like it. I absolutely love this clear box from Forever Rose, New York. Like I said, you could personalize it, glam it up, and give it to that special someone. Mother's Day will be coming around soon. It'd be nice as a Mother's Day gift, whether it's your mother, your aunt, a grandparent, your daughter, anyone. And like I said, even a spouse like roses too. You can get them a nice set of roses, and they come in different shades, different colors, like I told you. So you can get something nice and give that special loved one as a gift. And here it is with the drawer open. Like I said, you can put your trinkets inside. Lovely storage. You can place them anywhere throughout your home, and it will look absolutely lovely. And with the clear box, with the lid, you have the option to take off the lid. You don't have to display it with the lid on. You can have it with the lid off right here, and it still looks beautiful. Look how lovely the roses look. They look absolutely beautiful. And like I said, they last for a year. How neat is that? They will last you for 1 year. Absolutely beautiful piece of decor for your home, or a lovely gift for a loved one. And of course, they look beautiful just as they are, just as they came. You do not have to glam them up like I did. They make a statement piece all on their own in this lovely acrylic box. Don't you think they look absolutely beautiful? Just if you like to take it up a notch like me, then you glam it out. But that's okay, you don't have to. They look beautiful all on their own in this clear box. Absolutely lovely. Like I said, I have a coupon code that I will leave below so that you can go over onto the site and get a discount off of any rose that you would like to order for yourself or for your loved one. Everything will be down below in the description box. So leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of today's Rose Forever glammed out. Oh, lovely, 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 lovely box of roses. Yes, tell me if you like them glammed out or if you like them just the way they came. Let me know how you like them. Leave me that comment down below. And don't forget, like I said, I'll leave my discount code below, and you go over and check them out and get some for yourself. And thank you so much for coming on and seeing my DIY I had to share with you guys today with my review for my Rose Forever New York roses. Oh, I love them. Absolutely love them. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye-bye, everyone.